In this video, we're going to go from this to this. Alright, so in this video I'll be replacing the shocks on this 1998 Ford Expedition with some KYB Excel-Gs. I'm going to do front and rear, and we're going to start on the rear first. The size of the bolts are 18 millimeters, so make sure you have two 18 millimeter wrenches, ratchets, or whatever available. Then we'll go ahead and crawl under here and have a look. Okay, so on the back there are simply two bolts. There's one on the bottom and one up there at top. Okay, cool. Alright, put the new shock in. If you can. There we go. Alright, next I'll get that bolt ready. I'll cut that. Cut this off and hopefully get it placed into here. And got it. And repeat for the other side, right? Alright. Now we need to take off this bolt. And you're probably not going to be able to see this one because it stinks. Then that one way up there. Alright, so here's the driver's side one out. And as you can see, it's a pain to get to. Ultimately, I'll use a 12-inch extension. However, a 18 millimeter ratcheting wrench would probably work miracles in here. Now, unfortunately, I don't have one that size. Alright, so now I'll just put the shock on. Oh, no. Alright, the rear's done. Okay, next we'll do the front and take off the top portion of the shock first. Take a 19 on the base. There we go. Okay. Bushings off. Alright, so that's all done. Alright, next will be these two guys right here, and they are 13 millimeter. Okay. And there it is.
So after getting the passenger side done, I went over to the driver's side and found this mess. Now I know what my suspension rattle was. So I got to fight through taking this off just a little bit. And then other than that, the Both sides are virtually the same. They're pretty easily accessed for removal and installation.
So, pushing on.
Make sure that the bushing goes through the hole at the top as you insert the shock in. It's always good to have somebody kind of eyeball that as you slide the shock in.
Does it look like it went through or not?
I think so.
Okay. It's through. Put the bushing on it.
So I'll spare you from having to watch me tighten all the bolts and nuts down. It's pretty easy on the front. The main thing is the shocks that I got having a really long bolt on top. It took me forever to get that thing to tighten down. Would be great to have a ratcheting wrench for that. As you can see, I got extremely dirty doing all this. My pinion seal is leaking on the rear end, so at some point you'll probably see a video on how to replace the pinion seal so you don't have all that aftermarket rust proofing. Yeah, that's it. All that aftermarket rust proofing going out to the back of the vehicle.
And the last thing to do is to put this brake line holder on top of the shock, just like so. I've already done it, but it just slides on there. So that's how you do the shocks, both front and rear.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.